Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to hide reposts on TikTok mobile. If you want to hide reposts on TikTok mobile, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are already logged in, or create a new account if you have not done so yet. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. From here, look at the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. In this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section allows you to control various account and privacy settings on TikTok. Now, tap on Privacy and scroll down through the options. TikTok provides several ways to manage your content, interactions, and visibility. Look for the option labeled Hide Reposts or Allow Reposts, depending on your app version. Once you find it, toggle the switch off or on according to your preference. Turning this option off will hide all reposts from your feed, so you will only see original content from accounts you follow, making your feed cleaner and more personal. By following these steps, you can easily hide reposts on TikTok mobile and customize your feed to your liking. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.